In this short video, I'll guide you on how to effectively block unwanted spam calls on both iPhone and Android devices. Spam calls are a huge annoyance, constantly interrupting your day with scammers, robocalls, or even potentially dangerous spoofed numbers. Imagine having peace of mind, free from these intrusive calls, finally focusing on what matters without disruptions. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users manage similar issues, like blocking spam messages, filtering calls, and enhancing their phone security. Stay with me until the end to know what to do if these pesky calls persist. Now, let's get started on how to block unsolicited calls. For iPhone users, here's how to block individual numbers. Open the phone app and go to Recents. Tap the eye icon next to the number you want to block. Select Block this caller, then select Block Contact to stop calls from that number. To go further, iPhone users can silence unknown callers. Here's how: go to Settings, then tap Phone. Select Silence Unknown Callers and toggle it on. Now, all numbers not in your contacts will be sent directly to voicemail, ideal if spam calls flood your phone daily. Before we see how it's done on Android, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue. For Android users, you can also block individual numbers easily. Here's how: open the phone app and go to Recents. Tap the caller's avatar, select Block, then tap Block again. If it's a persistent spam caller, you can also select Report as Spam before confirming with Block to report the number. Additionally, enable caller ID and spam protection to filter out suspected spam automatically. To do this, go to the phone app and tap the three-dot icon at the top and select Settings. Next, tap Caller ID and Spam. Then, toggle on See Caller and Spam ID and filter spam calls to ensure spam calls are filtered before they reach you. But what if these inbuilt options don't provide enough protection from spam calls? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to use highly rated third-party apps or service provider tools to block unsolicited calls. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.